We are the perfect masterpiece created by the universe. Yes, God, Lord, Supreme, the supreme power, the universe. We are the perfect master creator. And if you have to open the body and see the machine, the machinery is so powerful. We have so many instruments playing inside, so many organ systems working inside in such harmony. There is no problem, everything will work so nicely. And there is a electrical system in the form of nervous system. Then there is a hormonal system which takes care that particular hormones are released when required, and when not required they are shut down. So as we are stressed or as we are in need of some hormone, those hormones are increased. It's maintaining your blood pressure, your blood sugar, your overall health. How you feel also depends on these hormones, and vice versa. How you feel affect the secretion of those hormones. So this is how a nice symbiotic relationship is present in our body. Everything is working in beautiful harmony. Really, then what's the problem? Everything is beautiful, everything is harmonious, then why are we getting diseases? You should ask. So that's what I'm going to explain. See, the harmony is well preserved, and Master Creator has done a fantastic job. But who has spoiled it? We. So we have spoiled the harmony of all the organ systems in the body by our wrong thinking, wrong eating, and the bad lifestyle choices. So let's see what damage it's causing. And most of the damages are at such deeper levels that there are no blood tests to suggest that what's the problem. You might have come across a situation that you have done n number of tests, and everything all are within normal limits, so called normal, and still you are having this pain, that pain, or your problem, your symptom is not going. So everything is not captured in your blood test. So there are deeper problems within. So this harmony within our body, which the masterpiece is created by the God, but we have caused the disharmony by our stressed lifestyle. See, stress, it's actually a platter invitation. It's just a platter invitation to all the gamut of diseases, all the lifestyle diseases. Everything, if you see, boil down to single most common cause is stress. Now, why? It's all interconnected. I'll tell you. Stress leads to obesity, and stress and obesity together release crackers, firecrackers in the body. Inflammation, chronic inflammation. When the whole body is under so many inflammatory markers and chemicals, how do you think this harmony will exist? This harmony would just get spoiled. The inflammatory markers, you just close your eyes and imagine, it's just like firecrackers everywhere in the body. You will get allergies, you'll get food allergy, skin allergy, or you might have constipation, diarrhea, which is not getting subsided with the medicines. You may have some skin problems, hair problems, for which you are taking steroids, medicines, So the chronic inflammation, I'm generalizing, but yes, this is for most of the diseases. Chronic inflammation, it's proven that it is the basis for most of the diseases. When body is under chronic inflammation, what do you think will happen to each and every cell? The cells are also stressed out. And when the cell is stressed out, see what happens to you, what happens to us when we are stressed out? Our efficiency reduces, our productivity reduces, we are not happy, we are not able to give our 100%, our performance, our rewards, everything reduces. Same thing happens to our cells. Once the chronic inflammation causes severe stress to the cells efficiency comes down. When each cell's efficiency is going to drop down, the productivity of the cell is going to go down. What is going to happen? Diseases, lots of diseases. You tell diabetes, hypertension, thyroid, cancer, chronic kidney disease, neurological problems, skin disorders, everything will start coming, and then we start taking medicines, right? Now you tell me, is that the right approach? So let's balance it out. So when you have a problem, definitely you'll take your medicine. But if you understand what's happening within the body, what do I need to correct from within, that's when the real treatment begins. So the external treatment has to be aligned with the inner healing. And the inner healing is within all of us. It's not something external that you take a pill and you will get healed. There is no healing pill. There is no pill which is called healing pill and you pop up and you will be healed and your healing mechanisms will be activated. No, that's the problem. Healing can be activated only when you take some steps, only when you take charge of your life, only when you focus on the four parameters of your life: your mind, body, breath, and soul. Take care of your inner doctor, which will take care of your inner healing, your inner MBBS. And then the external medicines will work magically for you. Up till then, your medicines are not going to show much improvement, and the number of medicines will just go on increasing. Align with your inner MBBS and see the magic in your life.